If you're trying to access your Arizona Department of Education ESA account and you find yourself getting a yellow server error message and you happen to be using Safari, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how I quickly eliminate this issue. I'll start by sharing with you how your computer retains information. When you use a browser like Chrome or Internet Explorer, it saves some information from websites in its cache and cookies. Clearing them fixes certain problems like loading and formatting issues on sites. Deleting the cookies can lead to faster overall internet access. Be sure to close or quit the browser after clearing the cache and cookies. Since you're using Safari as your browser, in the upper left-hand corner, click on Safari. Then you'll want to scroll down and click on Preferences. A new window should open up that's on the General tab. Scroll to the right until you see the tab called Privacy. When you click on that, you'll have some options. In the section called Cookies and Website Data, click on Manage Website Data. It'll take a moment, but it will load all of the website data. It is recommended that you clear cache and cookies at least a couple of times a month. I rarely get around to doing it, which is why I can scroll through this section. When the data is deleted, you can click Done. Now you can exit out of the Privacy tab. Always remember, every time you clear cache and cookies, make sure that you close out of the window and start fresh. And now we're back to the Arizona Department of Education main page. I'll put in my email address, password, and that's it. We now have access to ClassWallet again. Clearing the cache and cookies is what it takes to be able to access the site when you see that yellow error message. At this point, you can go ahead and click ClassWallet and continue working in your account.